You think discipline is waking up early, hitting the gym, and sticking to a routine? That's only the surface. Real discipline is something far deeper and far more dangerous. It's silent. It's not fueled by motivation, attention, or validation. It's when someone keeps doing what must be done, even when nobody notices, nobody applauds, and nobody cares. 1. Real discipline begins when motivation dies. Psychologists say the human brain constantly chases dopamine, the chemical tied to pleasure, excitement, and reward. But highly disciplined people don't depend on that feeling. They train themselves to act without needing motivation first. They don't wait to feel inspired. They move anyway. This is called automaticity, when behavior becomes automatic through repetition. No hype, no emotion, just relentless consistency. And that level of control intimidates people because it's no longer based on feelings. 2. They master delayed gratification. Studies in behavioral psychology show that people who can resist short-term comfort for long-term growth become more successful, more emotionally stable, and more self-controlled. Discipline isn't about rejecting rewards forever. It's about teaching your mind to say, not yet. And once you gain that ability, you stop being controlled by impulses. You gain control over yourself. That's where real strength begins. 3. They don't rely on emotion. They trust systems. Most people wake up and ask themselves, do I feel like doing this today? Disciplined people remove that question entirely. Psychologists call this implementation intention, creating fixed actions tied to specific situations. It's not, should I do it? It's, this is the time, so this is what I do. No debating, no procrastination, no excuses. They've turned discipline into identity, and that's what makes them unstoppable. 4. They stay silent, but their results speak. You rarely see truly disciplined people constantly talking about how hard they work. Because they understand something powerful. When you speak too much about your goals, your brain can falsely reward you as if progress has already been made. So they stay silent, they focus, they execute, and years later, people look at their success and call it talent, never realizing it was built through quiet consistency. 5. The truth. The highest level of discipline isn't about controlling your schedule. It's about controlling your mind. When you can keep moving on the days you feel exhausted, distracted, or unmotivated, you've reached a level most people will never experience. That's not fake discipline for social media. That's discipline becoming part of who you are. And if this message connected with you, it's probably because a part of you is ready to evolve. Ready to stop waiting. Ready to take control. So subscribe now, not for empty motivation, but for real transformation. Because on this channel, we turn psychology into strength, habits into power, and consistency into greatness. Stay focused, stay dangerous, and remember, real discipline never talks. It simply shows up.